sudden storms to flash floods that sweep everything away. These are the astonishing natural disasters that shook the world. Let's take a look at the following footage.
Mira, 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 mira. La puta.
The northern coastal area of Peru was hit by a rare massive wave causing significant damage. Reports indicate that waves as high as 6 meters, approximately 20 feet, continuously crashed into the shore with extreme force. Footage captured the moment the pier was submerged and people fled in panic.
¡Dios mío! ¡Ese va el señor! ¡Cuidado! ¡Ay, Dios mío! ¡Se atrapó su pierna! ¡Ay!
Que ha ocasionado cuidado muchachos ahí que ha ocasionado acá la marea. Puta, se ha tirado un pedazo de, ¿cómo se llama? De baranda. Aquí en el desembarcadero de Máncora, un pedazo de baranda. Prácticamente lo ha destrozado. Terrible eso, Dios mío lindo. Terrible, 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 terrible. Todo está terrible. Ahí quedó. Sí, sí, todo esto lo ha tumbado. Uf. Terrible. Está todo ya destrozado.
Within minutes, the powerful floodwaters swept away everything in their path. From cars to large household items, residents were trapped on balconies watching helplessly as the water mercilessly submerged the vehicles below. The rising waters of the Ganges River caused severe erosion along the riverbank, collapsing an entire two-story house into the rushing current. A bridge over a river in the Damtal area suddenly collapsed due to the impact of fast-flowing floodwaters. Fortunately, no casualties were reported, but the incident brought traffic through the area to a complete halt. Large waves repeatedly slammed into yachts anchored nearby, creating a chaotic scene. Many assets in the mooring area were severely damaged.
Look at the wave. See that right peeling off the corner? See that peeling off the corner? You can surf it. Look at that. Holy. Look at G-Doc over there. Well,
Big Red just hammering.
look at Grizz and his wife and stuff down there.
Oh. I was about to go jump in Big Red.
Look at their boat. Look at their boat.
Oh my God.
I gotta watch this. I gotta get him.
There's another boat that just flipped.
A sudden earthquake struck Japan, causing vehicles to bounce like Springs power poles to shake violently, and cracks to appear on the roads. An unusual massive wave struck a famous harbor area, causing part of the pier to collapse. The incident left much of the dock heavily damaged, with several vehicles swept away by the water. At least 3 people fell into the sea and were later rescued. The event serves as a stark reminder of the dangers posed by climate change and the increasing frequency of extreme weather events.
Saw part of it floating away a minute ago.
There's a video in this for a while.
That's why the whole end of it's closed. That's insane. Call him. Mila saw it happen. She's like, the whole end of the wharf just fell in, Mom.
In 2022, a Category 4 hurricane struck Fort Myers Beach. Waves up to 4-5 meters caused severe flooding. 97% of the buildings were completely destroyed. Damages reached tens of billions of dollars. Nature can change its face unexpectedly. Have you ever experienced a hailstorm this intense? Raging waters flowed swiftly around the bridge pillar, washing away the soil beneath. Within minutes, a section of the bridge snapped in two, sending the railroad tracks plunging straight into the flood below. Each video is a reminder of nature's power. Subscribe so you don't miss these incredible real-life moments.
Rain Rapids.